students, welcome back. So you have successfully downloaded Blender and now you are completely aware of how complicated it really looks, and it is quite complicated. So I want you to go back to www.blender.org and I want you to just notice that there is support here. So if you click on that support tab, you'll notice that there are tutorials. You can check out free tutorials here. Or you can also go to community support. There is a stack exchange. If you click on that, you can just type in whatever it is that you're searching for, how to duplicate a sphere, for example. Okay, here we are, generate several thousand duplicates of an object. So you could click on that and get your answers. Another great way to find answers is just to Google it. So how to duplicate a sphere, and you have to be specific on Google because it's not the Blender site. You'll have to put in Blender. So how to duplicate a sphere in Blender. And you'll notice that there is a Blender manual, and I have used the Blender manual myself many times, actually very helpful. But notice right here in the manual, it says there are two types of object duplication, being duplicate and linked duplicates, and it will give you all of the information that you have ever needed to know about duplicates, which is fantastic with visuals and everything. And you can search things up here. You could actually, if you wanted to, you could go through the entire manual from beginning to ending and learn the entire Blender program just using this manual. It's at docs.blender.org. The other thing, here we go, let's go back to, we have the Blender Stack Exchange here. So that's the exact same one that we were looking at before. Those will often come up, and you'll also often see YouTube videos popping up. So another source of information for Blender is just to go to youtube.com, and honestly that's one of my favorites. So how to create a duplicate sphere in Blender. Let's see what happens. Blender 3D tutorial, how to duplicate, join and mirror objects by vScorpion. vScorpion is actually one of my favorite video tutorial makers. So if you do ever see a video by vScorpion, watch it. Fantastic. She's amazing. So lots of great information. Make use of those. You will not always have the answers, and sometimes things won't work the way that you expect them to, even though the tutorials that you're watching make it look so simple. I often have to go to these sources to find answers. So good luck.